ladies. So today I will be showing you how I install my wig with the iPrincess Mongolian hair. In this box it comes with the elastic band, lashes, and the manual on how to take care of the hair. This is a 150 transparent water wave wig. So the next step I'm going to do is gel my edges back with some Gorilla Snot or any gel that you prefer. And then I'm going to apply my stocking cap and then spray some Got to Be Glued spray along my hairline. In this process, you do want to make it as neat as possible to get a flawless finish install. And so here are the knee-high nude stockings that I'll be using. I don't use a wig cap. I actually use stockings for this process. It makes it much more transparent and easier to lay. And as you can see, I'm just cutting out my ear tabs. You can do this wet or dry. If this is your first time trying this technique, I would recommend you to do this while it's dry so that way it doesn't move and you don't mess up your lace. And well, not lace, but the stocking itself, because these are stockings and you can get a run in them and then you would just have to start over or potentially mess up what you're doing. And I'm just perfecting the ear tabs, and I'm going to spray down the rest of the ear tabs and spray all over the stocking cap. Here I'm just drying the stockings and I'm just getting it dry as much as possible. I take about 5 minutes to let it dry and make sure that it's completely dry before I put on my second layer of Got to Be Glued spray. Now once that first layer of Got to Be Glued spray is dry, you want to just put on your second layer and dry that. Ooh, 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 she thick, she thick. Yes, mamas. Okay. So once that is dry, you're just going to spray the inside of your lace with the Got to Be Glued spray. So once you've sprayed the lace completely, you want to take any powder foundation of your choice. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me matte powder in the color Mocha, and you just want to evenly put that along the lace, all over the lace. As well as getting it inside the wig, I'm going to get that powder on the front of the wig as well. So now I'm going to just check to see if my lace is completely dry, and then I'm going to start from the middle with scissors and cut down the middle. And then I'm going to carefully, because these are stockings, you can get a run in them once again, take an eyebrow razor and start from side to side cutting the ear tabs. I like to start with the ear tabs first, just so that way I won't get a run in the stockings. Here you just want to ever so lightly take your eyebrow razor and just cut off that excess stocking, and be sure not to cut so hard, if that makes sense, but lightly kind of get the excess stocking off. Now I'm going back in with my foundation, and I'm just going to apply that all over my hairline to create that bald cap method. So I'm going to be using Bold Hold Active Lace Bond Glue, and with a cotton ball I'm just going to clean up any got to be glue spray that could be still on my hairline, and then I'm going to be going in with a popsicle stick and evenly dispersing that glue along my hairline, also on the cap as well. You kind of want to get it on both, because when you sweat you don't want your actual stocking cap and your wig to move, so you want to get it on both your hairline and the cap. On top of that layer of Bold Hold, I'm going to spray a layer of Got To Be Glued spray and let that dry and talk to my lovely mother. Give it about, I'd say 5 minutes till it turns clear, and then apply another layer of glue. Here I lost my footage of when I applied my wig, so you just want to kind of just apply the wig however you're going to apply it, and adjust it to your head, and put a elastic band on it and let it kind of dry and sit under a dryer, or dry your hair with a hair dryer. And so I'm going to be cutting out my ear tabs here, sectioning off my hair and cutting my ear tabs, making a little hole, not really a hole but a slit in the wig. And I actually did apply my wig a little bit off, you'll see in a minute. So I cut my ear tabs on this side, and so I'm going to go over to the next side, and you can kind of see I don't have to cut as much on this side because it's just off, sis. It's off. It's just too off, but it doesn't matter. So I'm going to go in with my scissors, and I'm going to start from the middle and cut down with the eyebrow razor, and just get as close to your wig hairline as possible to get a flawless finish. Here's the fun part. I'm just creating my middle part and trying to get it as straight as possible. Now, to get my part to lay as flat as possible, I'm taking She Is Balm Collection Wax Stick, and I'm putting that all over my part and along my edges to get it ready to hot comb. Now the part, well, not the part, but my hairline is still kind of white, and that's because we are working with transparent stockings and transparent lace. So in order for it to blend, I'm going to go back in with my foundation and kind of just clean that up, but you'll see that in a minute. Right now I'm just hot combing and trying to get it to lay. So before I apply my powder to blend in my lace, I'm going to take some alcohol and clean up my hairline, and then I'm going to go in with that Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just going to apply it directly on the lace. And you see, girl, she blending. So now that we have our our hairline all blended, I'm just going to take some water and I'm going to saturate the hair, section it off into 2 sections, and basically getting both sections wet. Now I'm going to go in with my Cream of Nature mousse, and I'm going to apply that all over my hair. You can use whatever curling mousse you would like. I just prefer Cream of Nature because it leaves the hair looking wet majority of the day, if not all day. So now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color FAWN, and I'm going to put that along my part to create a defined part. Mind you, I did not have to pluck this lace at all. I don't do baby hairs, so I like a natural looking install. So this is probably one of the easiest installs I've done thus far. And I just want to thank y'all for watching, and so comment, like, subscribe, leave me feedback, any questions. I will see y'all in my next video. This has been great. This has been fun. Love y'all. Bye.